So in this exercise, we're going to take this image which we worked on in the last video and further retouch our face using the face modification features of our Liquefy filter. Okay, so just go ahead and merge all layers. So Control Shift Alt E or Command Shift Option E, okay, on the Mac. So it creates a new layer with all our layers merged. Perfect. So we want to now go ahead and first of all, just make our layer a smart object, convert to a smart object, and then let's go to filters and liquefy. Perfect. Now we want to basically modify the look of our image using our face modification tool. Okay, so first of all, I feel this eye is smaller than this eye, so I want this eye to be bigger. Let's see, let's increase the width and see. Yeah, so we can see that our eye now is bigger. So this feature can come in really handy for photographers. Okay, so sometimes you take pictures and you see little blemishes like this. Maybe this eye is bigger or this eye is smaller, or the nose is kind of aligned in a certain way, and you can change all of this using this tool. Right now I think I'll go for let's see, let's go to the face, or yeah, I think the mouth, rather the mouth, and let's try modifying our smile. So should she smile more or should she frown? Okay, so I feel our character, so I think we should do two looks here. Now our character is smiling quite much, so I want her to frown, or I want to reduce her smiling. So I'm just going to make the smile less, and then for this lip I'm going to bring it down, and for this one I'm going to bring it up. Okay, and then let's see what else can we do here. Maybe make her face a little slimmer. Okay, and then the forehead a little shorter also. And even though I think it's really hard to make her frown because she's really smiling in the original picture, but I think we can do a good job or a decent job in reducing the smile. Okay, so this is our before. She's really smiling here, and this is our after. So she's not smiling that much, she's just cool, right? Perfect. I think this eye is too big. Let's just reduce it again. Reduce it. Perfect. Let's look at the eye distance. I feel they are quite far apart, so let's try to fix that. So eye distance, so you see that they are quite far apart, right? So let's bring them closer to each other. So really we haven't been able to eliminate the smile. She's still smiling but I think it's less than before. So this is before and this is after. It's before and this is after. So she's smiling less now. Basically I think this is all we should do. Okay, so we can just hit OK and compare our before and after. Now this is what we've been able to achieve and this is what we had before. Okay, so sometimes we can even use this tool to totally change the look of our image. Just like how we did here. We actually totally changed the look of our image. Remember, this is our before. This is our before. So she looks like a different person here, really. She looks like a different person here. Okay, that's the power of the Liquefy tool in Photoshop. So before and after. And yeah, that's it for this exercise. So Ctrl S to save, and girl with acne retouching, and save. Perfect. So guys, that's it for this exercise, and that's it for the module on retouching. So see you in the next one. Bye. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.